XMSD is a leading international supplier of high-quality frozen vegetables and fruits based in China. With over 20 years of expertise, we serve the global market with premium products and exceptional service. Our advanced technology and strict quality control ensure every piece is fresh, safe, and consistent. We offer one-stop export solutions to support your business every step of the way. Customs declaration clearance, cold chain shipping by sea air, export documents, cold, phytosanitary, BL, custom packaging labeling, flexible delivery scheduling. We aim to be more than just a supplier. We remain your reliable partner in China. XMSD, your trusted partner for frozen vegetables and fruits.